McLean, a quiet, friendly community, is nestled on Route 66 at the intersection of Interstate 55 and Route 136 and has a population of 806. McLean is home to the Dixie Travel Plaza, which once was the Dixie Truck Stop, opened in 1928, that operated the Route 66 Hall of Fame and claimed to be the country's first truck stop. McLean is now home to America's Playable Arcade Museum, which features restored games from the 1970s and 1980s that patrons are able to play. There's rich history throughout the town as you head on down to Atlanta, the next stop on the Mother Road. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content.